Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to use math symbols in Canva. This is useful when creating educational content, presentations, or designs that need equations and special math characters. Let's get started. On your Canva dashboard, let's walk through an example. We will insert a text box so we can add our symbols. Let's make it bigger. If you want to add math symbols in Canva, we can use the keyboard. For example, we can type plus, minus, division, and multiplication symbols. These basic symbols are easy to add using just your keyboard. But if we need other symbols, there is another way. All we have to do is open a new tab and search for math symbols. From there, we can find and copy the symbols we need. We can copy a symbol by highlighting it, then copying it and pasting it into the text box. Let's paste it here. As you can see, the math symbol is now in our design. We can copy as many symbols as we need. For example, if we want the cube root symbol, we can copy it here, then paste it so we have the cube root in our design. From there, just adjust the text element to fit your layout. We can also add math symbols by clicking on Elements and searching for math symbols. As you can see, math symbols show up here. We can add them as frames or graphics. We can choose whichever one we need. We can browse all the math symbols here and click to add them to our design. These steps will help us insert math symbols like plus, minus, fractions, and more into any Canva design. And that's how we use math symbols in Canva. With these simple methods, we can easily create clear and professional educational designs.